Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. So in this video, I want to do something that I've wanted to do for a long time. You know, I keep hearing that the best camera is the one you have on you. People ask me for gear advice all the time. So I want to do some tests, and I want to do it with you, which is I want to test one of the best camera in the world, one of the most expensive one in the world too. This is $8,000 GFX 100S. It's a 102 million pixel camera with a 24-32. And this is something I bought at Best Buy for $400. It's a Canon T2I with just a regular 1855. So I'm here in Florida on a beautiful beach. I'm going to take the best possible photo with the Fuji, and then best possible photo with the Canon, few photos, and then I'm going to retouch them, show them to you, and you're going to have to guess which one is which, and then we'll see and look at the raw files more in details together. So let's find out if it's true that we can take great photos with an entry DSLR versus a very expensive DSLR. This is actually a medium format camera. Now, I must warn you on something. This is not a scientific review. This is an artistic review, meaning I'm going to do my best to take the best possible photo. I'm probably going to do some like long exposure stuff with this one, and then I'm going to try to do the best with this one, and then we'll see. We'll see if you can see which one is which. Okay, let's get started. All right, guys, so we're back from the beach, and now I'm going to show you 4 different photos. 4 from the Canon T2I, $400, and 4 photos from a Fuji, which is $8,000. And I'm not going to tell you which is which. You're going to have about 2 seconds per photo, and you have to guess which is which, and I'll tell you the answer after that. So here we go. All right, so tell me in the comments if you guessed it right. And by the way, if you can smash that like button, it really helps me because other people can find out about this video. If you want to do something for me today, just smash the like button, subscribe if you did not subscribe. All right, now I'm going to show you the final result, which is which. All right, so I don't know if you guessed it right or not, but let me show you a couple of things. So what I did is, for example, this is a Fuji photo. The way I retouch my photo today, because I'm really lazy, is I have my presets, my everyday presets, which you can get a whole bunch for free just down below with my brand new free toolbox, which has so many of my good presets. So I'm going to use the golden hour preset, golden hour light, or maybe not. Maybe I'm going to use a sunset preset. Yeah, sunset preset light. And once you apply the preset, what you need to do is just hold on the option key to make sure your black point is not too strong. That's what I'm doing. You see what you see here, holding the option key is the pure black. And then you do the same thing with white. Okay, that's a Fuji photo. And voila, and basically that's what I did for all the photos. I use my preset. Again, you can get them for free under this video. And let me show you. So this is, I'm going to use a compare mode in Lightroom. So on the right side, you have the GFX 100 photo, and on the left side, you have the Canon photo. And this one is a 2.5 second exposure. This one is a 2.5 exposure. You know, I try to just match as much as I can. Again, it's an artistic thing. Now, if we zoom in at 100%, you will see the Fuji is much bigger because that's a 50 million pixel. Look at this. This is 11,648 pixel instead of 5,000. So double more pixels, so double more information. But the Canon is quite amazingly pretty good. I mean, we get lots of details in the shadows and the highlights. I was very surprised. Not the exact same retouching. Let's look another one. So let's look at this too, for example. And so on the left side, you have the Canon. On the right side, you have the Fuji. I can see, I mean, on the Fuji, you know, there is a bit more flare here on the Canon, sorry. And if we zoom in at 100%, of course, the Fuji is going to be sharper. You know, you want to make bigger prints. I can see like the water is much more sharp here than on the Canon, but still the Canon has great colors. I love Canon colors. The house is pretty sharp and everything else is kind of blurry, although I was at f22. This is weird. Look, I was at f22 and the house is kind of sharp and the rest is a bit blurry. Here I was just at f8 and everything is in focus. That's the main difference that I see. I kind of prefer the color of the Fuji also, to be honest. It's got this, it's different color science. I try to match again, but this one has like more magenta and I'm a big magenta addict. But honestly, the photos were so surprising. And this is the last shot. So this is a Canon and this is the Fuji. So if we zoom in at 100%, again, I think, yeah, the photo is a bit sharper with the Fuji. But really, I mean, honestly, I was very, very surprised by the Canon. That is to say that if you want to get into photography, you got to work more on your composition. You got to work more on shooting at the right time of the day, more than buying a high-end gear. I bought the Fuji because I work for a gallery and I make big prints and I need this extra pixel. But honestly, I was very impressed by that, you know, $400. Tell me what you think in the comments. Tell me what you want to learn. Don't forget to download my brand new Toolbox 2021 version. It's got new brushes, new sky, new everything. And it's going to blow you away. It's got with 1 hour and 10 minutes of training on how to use all these tools. It's completely free. It's for you. You will have the opportunity to buy all my presets. As soon as you download them, basically, they're going to come to your inbox. And I'm going to try to sell you my presets. Look, I've got 280 presets. I use them all the time. If you want, you can buy them. If you don't have to, you can only get the free toolbox and never buy anything from me and just watch my YouTube videos forever and never give me $1. And I'm happy to help. Mesdames et messieurs, I'll see you in another video.